This no-bake cookie dough protein bars recipe packs 16 grams of protein per serving, tastes just like real cookie dough, and only requires 7 simple ingredients. I'll show you how to make it right now. Start with a large bowl. We'll prepare the dry ingredients first. Add half a cup of oat flour. You can easily make this yourself by blending oats in a blender. Add 3/4 a cup of vanilla whey protein powder. And finally, add 1/4 a cup of a natural calorie-free sweetener. I'm using monk fruit for this recipe. Whisk everything together, then we'll add the wet ingredients into the same bowl. Add 3/4 a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Add 1/3 a cup of a nut butter. I'm using peanut butter today, but cashew butter is one of my favorite options if you want a more neutral and less peanut flavor. Finally, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together. The dough will be fairly thick, so it might take a couple of minutes, but you should be able to fully incorporate everything. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar-free chocolate chips, then mix them into your dough. Take out an 8" by 8" baking dish and line it with some parchment paper. Give it a light spray of oil. Transfer your dough into the baking dish. Start with a spoon as it's going to be very sticky. Spray your hands with non-stick cooking spray, then press down on the dough until it's in a square shape. Cover your baking dish and then transfer it to the freezer for at least 2 hours. Once the dough is firmed up, cut them into however many bars you'd like. I'm going with 8 bars for today. Then you're set to enjoy your no-bake cookie dough protein bars. Big tip for this recipe: don't let these sit out for too long as they will get too soft and too sticky to eat by hand. Try to eat these from the freezer when you're ready to enjoy them. These store best in the freezer for the optimal texture. Avoid the refrigerator as it can make them too soft. Store any leftovers in a container. You can use parchment paper with a bit of non-stick cooking spray to prevent them from sticking to each other. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high-protein snack recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.